In front of me is REALME C76, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, go into settings and scroll a tiny bit to click on display and brightness. Now scroll again, but this time click on screen refresh rate available here. Finally, select one of those, auto-select, standard or high, and when you finished, just go back. Your changes will be automatically applied. As you can see, after a few seconds, screen refresh rate of my REALME has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!